Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to make chicken feet. So in the pan you are going to start by adding your oil, red pepper, your onion, spices of your choice, and use them according to your liking. For chicken feet, you can remove nails if you want, okay? And then some tomato puree, just like this. Mix well, add water, about half cup of water, let that to cook. Don't add too much water. Then add your seasoning salt. You're going to cook until it is thickened. You see the soup is now thick, and then I'm going to have this with uputu. We can just enjoy with pap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves. Love you. Bye.